So for my synthesis project, I made this graphic organizer, which I'm going to use to describe and explain how I synthesize the concepts for the semester. I'm actually going to start here at the bottom. I have the 6 traits of writing here because they're the foundation of writing. Basically, they build the students' understanding of what writing is, and they put the students in charge of their compositions. There's ideas where students figure out what they want to say and what their message is. Organization, which adapts to the main idea and it's the framework of their writing. There's voice, which students use to connect to their readers by expressing their thoughts and feelings. There's word choice to create strong impressions, sentence fluency, which determines the flow of the compositions, and conventions, which are the editing tools. And now I have a line here with 2 arrows leading to writing workshop components and writing process stages. Now, I put the arrows leading up to them and I put these 2 side by side because the 6 traits of writing are practiced during these workshops and they're practiced in every stage of the writing process. So beginning with the writing workshop components, basically, like I said, the 6 traits are practiced in the writing workshops and they're meant to allow teachers to set up writing instruction. So the mini lessons allow for focus on specific aspects of writing time, which is always given to students to showcase their skills, and then sharing time, which allows the students to read to their audience and receive feedback. Now, besides that, we have the writing process stages, like I said, where the 6 traits are also being practiced. So you have, and basically the writing process serves as a guide for the students and breaks down what writing is. So you've got rehearsing or pre-writing, where the students begin jotting down their ideas and possible topics. Then you move on to drafting, which is where the students begin writing down what they're going to say to their audience. You've got revising and editing, which go hand in hand, that allows students to make any modifications or correct any grammatical or punctuational errors. Then you have sharing and publishing, which also go hand in hand, and they can also connect back to sharing time, which is when their compositions are complete and they are shared with their group. Now, from each of those, I have arrows leading up to balanced literacy, and I have balanced literacy at the very top because it is ultimately what we're trying to achieve. So practicing the 6 traits of writing, which goes all the way back to the bottom, going through the writing process stages and engaging in writing workshop leads to achieving balanced literacy. For this, we have interactive writing where teachers and students collaborate to compose. We've got shared writing, which extends the students' understanding of the writing process, and independent writing, which is the lowest form of writing support and gives the students the opportunity to demonstrate the value and what they know about writing.